人生唯一的不变就是要改变，追求卓越。This kind of system, right, is very simple. You just use your forklift and then to put your whole package of wood into the position. So he automatically feeding the work pieces through the machine. And then through the machine, after the machine, you still use it. You can monitor the A level or B level. So this whole system, before they had to use the 8 people in production. Right now, just only 2 people. Our suggestion, right, is customization and also automation, which is our focus on the last 5 years, especially on the automation. For the whole line system, right, we are developing this system because of right now developing country is lacking of manpower. So we have introduced last year is Industrial 4.0 for the flooring line. And then you can use your iPhone, iPad or laptop to monitor your production situation, which I want to promote in the developing country, which is like Japan, Korea, Taiwan, and America or Europe. Customization of product right now is almost 50-50. So always we need to customer special need something, we can modify for them. This is also our advantage. This year we are developing a digital promotion system, digital manufacturing system, digital management system. And so we can take easy and then have a time to developing these 3 systems. For the OEM product, right, is depend on the company of Taiwan. And then because of the Taiwanese company is focused on the manufacturing the machine, they are lack of the production skill. So they can make a good machine, depend on the good brand to developing. So right now it's going to getting important for Taiwanese product OEM for the major brand around the world. Taiwanese manufacturing, right, is very strong on the product, but Taiwanese woodworking manufacturing is a lack of the promotion skill. And of course, if they can have another brand to promotion their product, depending on the OEM or ODM, which is a plus for Taiwanese manufacturing. Welcome to visit Wood Taiwan Show.